First fuel up, the 87. So we got 270 miles on this thing so far, and it's their first fuel up. So let's see what kind of MPG we get.
Tragic.
Tragic. So we put the air dam back on just for this test. We want to see if it's worth it to keep it on for the extra 2 or 3 MPG, or cooler to have it off because it looks a lot meaner. So let's find out.
It's cooler.
Tragic. Our first tank, 14.5 gallons.
Yes, we live in California. Fuel is expensive. We know.
We know. So when we got it from the dealership, we had 8 miles on it, and now we have 279 miles. And that was our MPG just from the dealership. Man, it is so beautiful out here today. Got 63 degrees and bright green pastures after a rain. So we got this thing set at 75 on adaptive cruise control. The steering assist is really awesome in this truck. And our MPG currently is 20.2. So let's see if we can keep it above 20. And we're already 25 miles into our 60-mile journey. Just a little update, we're 50 miles in. This is a pretty flat road, so it's just like at sea level. And we're getting 21 MPG, so we're really happy. Whoa, it's a 4Runner towing a 4Runner. Sweet. That's pretty cool. Once you get comfortable with the truck steering for you, I really like it. It's gonna be great for driving across country, seeing a lot of things with it. This thing is sick. No hands.
Oh. All right, so we went 95 miles and our average MPG is 20.
All right.
We're gonna do our second fill up right now, and we took the air dam off, so we'll see how it is driving back home. Second time filling it up. All right, let's see.
What's our guess about the difference in MPG?
I think we were averaging 20.
20.
So we think that it's gonna be.
I think it's gonna be worse.
Average 8.
18?
Yeah.
That sounds about right.
Hey, what's your guess?
I think it's like 2 or 3 under.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
The whole crew. Yeah, we took the air dam off and I had to secure it with a belt. But it works.
All right, let's reset. So this is my turn to do the drive, and I'm gonna try using the adaptive cruise control. We had some older cars that didn't have any of this, so let's check it out. All right, so you said to hit this upper left button here.
Yep.
So I'm gonna click it, get myself up to speed by clicking this, right?
Yep.
All right, and now we are set to 75. We're coming up to this turn. Let's see. Okay, yep. Wow. Okay. That is not me doing any of that. That is so weird. Wow, it's already slowing down as I'm approaching this car up here. Slowing down. It's a little...
This is wild.
Yeah, it's really wild. I feel like, especially when cars are coming next to me, to just kind of trust it. All right, and now it's back at it. It's bringing me up to speed. Wow, okay.
You like it?
I like it. It's still gonna take me a bit of, okay, here's another turn. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I almost like want to grab it.
Yeah.
And like not trust that it's gonna turn. Especially when you're like next to other cars, but
It's kind of weird when it kind of like moves in your hand.
Oh, so weird. All right, let's check to see how our cargo is doing in the back. We have that tied down by my husband's belt. So that's awesome. It's staying there. All right, so we hit a little bit of traffic. GPS says it's just 4 or 5 minutes of traffic. We're thinking that's gonna mess up our MPG a little, but right now we're averaging 20.9. Here we are rolling into our final fuel up. Now, we know that there is probably a better way to do this MPG test and maybe even more scientific, but for us, we wanted a real world example, so.
That's what we did. We have 20.5 MPG without the air dam, and honestly, looks like it didn't do much of a difference, and it looks way better without it, so.
We're gonna keep it off. But it did give peace of mind doing this test to see that for what we do and how we drive and where we go, it hasn't been too much of a difference. We definitely are gonna lean into that cool factor.
It's gonna be ripped off pretty quickly where we're gonna go.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Yes, we chan.
Yes, we chan.